What's up, YouTube? So, got a 2001 Chevy Suburban with the factory amp. This radio and harness came on my O2 GMC, and this double din isn't the very best to be doing a video demo with, but it's what I'm putting in. So it's a Android touchscreen. This harness here worked just fine on my O2. The O2 didn't have a factory amp, so all the forums I read was this pink wire here is the amp turn on, which it's not. And same thing with this orange one, it's not. So it's this orange one here, which it is the third pin over to the left. And in my harness here, it is this blue wire, but it wasn't going to anything. So after taping all this up and undoing it, I found out that wire wasn't going to anything. So I put 12 volts to it for my power probe, and the amp turned on. So just so you know, I'm not bullshitting you. This is a test real quick. All right, there you go. So you're welcome.